Your Excellencies, it is a great honor for me. Let me, first of all, thank all of you here, my brothers and sisters, for the invitation and the great welcome afforded me. The hospitality has been great. The knowledge, experience, and feeling up to this moment is accelerating and very, very warm. I thank all of you. Your Excellencies. Your Excellencies, Head of Government of the Organization of the Eastern Caribbean States, OECS, and the Governor General, honorable members of the Parliament, distinguished justices, esteemed religious leaders, members of the diplomatic corps, ladies and gentlemen. At this moment, I couldn't have started better over anything else. What a great thank you and gratitude from my people, the joy of Nigerians, and privilege to be among you today. As one who has long held in the highest esteem the tenacity and spirit of the people of the Eastern Caribbean, setting foot on these splendid islands bears deep meaning. And that deep meaning is me. It is with great honor that I address this important gathering of member states of the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States, OECS. I am indeed grateful for the generous invitation extended to me to visit this distinguished region. I wish to convey my heartfelt appreciation to the government and the people of Saint Lucia for the gracious hospitality afforded my delegation and myself since our arrival in the car streets. As one who feels a profound kinship with our shared African heritage, I am fully aware of the historic current that has bound us together, current shaped by the transatlantic slavery, slave trade, and colonial subjugation, but out of which emerged a shared cultural identity, an indomitable resilience, and a legacy of aspiration. My presence here today symbolizes Nigeria's renewed commitment to re-engage with these enduring ties, recognizing the strategic and the emotional significance to all of us. This occasion serves as a testament to the enduring ideas of Pan-Africanism and to the unyielding desire for unity and collaboration among peoples of African descent. It is in this context that I reaffirmed OECS as a cherished partner of Nigeria, of the Organization of African Unity, now the African Union, which has since embraced the Caribbean and the broader diaspora as a sixth region. Aside, its demographic and economic prominence in Africa, Nigeria has a rich history of enduring contribution to the advancement of our Black race. It is home to the largest diaspora community of African descent and situated in West Africa, from where countless enslaved Africans were tragically taken. My country holds a special place in the collective memory of the diaspora. Culturally, Nigeria is regarded as the continent's creative heart, with its rich array of ethnicities and globally celebrated traditions in music, cuisine, fashion, film, today notably Nollywood and literature. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, when I assumed the office of the President of Nigeria in May 2023, my administration embarked on a series of economic and social reforms, which were aimed at laying a solid foundation to the promotion of a better Nigeria and to put the country on the path of sustainable growth and development. It is in line with this orientation and to explore areas of cooperation and collaboration between the Eastern Caribbean states that I decided to undertake this state visit to Saint Lucia. It is in this spirit that I wish to express Nigeria's readiness to deepen cooperation with the OECS in the areas of mutual interest, including trade, investment, health, culture, education, and climate resilience. Enhance the trade and investment between our regions hold great potential for shared prosperity. Nigeria's vast mutual resources and its position as the largest market in Africa present significant opportunity for the OECS, both as a source of essential input and as a growing export destination. Together, we can leverage our respective strengths to attract investments, create jobs, and foster joint ventures that benefit both our peoples. In advancing our shared development goals, I strongly advocate for educational exchange programs between Nigeria and OECS. Maritime universities, such as partnerships, will build technical capacity, but also foster mutual understanding and long-term academic collaboration. Beyond maritime education, both regions should explore joint scientific research initiatives, particularly in addressing common health challenges. To give structure to these efforts, we should formalize agreements that clearly define areas of cooperation in education and research. Equally important is collaboration in tackling urgent threats posed by climate change. By sharing research findings on the climate impact, adaptation strategies, and disaster risk management, including rise in the sea level and outbreak of hurricane, we can deepen our understanding and enhance collective resilience. Joint efforts in promoting sustainable agricultural practices and addressing issues such as flooding and drought will also contribute to food security and reduce climate vulnerability in both our regions. It is essential that we invest in cultural and human exchanges that build mutual understanding from the ground up among our peoples, from ordinary to the leadership. I encourage the integration of Nigeria and OECS cultural awareness of our shared heritage, values, and traditions among future generations. Beyond education, we must also encourage more frequent visits between our peoples, allowing them to experience firsthand the unique cultural attractions and the historic sites that define our identities. In a concrete step towards this goal, Nigeria is open to exploring a visa waiver arrangement for holders of diplomatic and official passports from OECS member states traveling to Nigeria. I respectfully urge a reciprocal gesture to enable smoother movement of officials and foster closer institutional cooperation. Furthermore, Nigeria is ready to extend the services of Nigeria Technical Aid Corps to OECS countries. Will we provide skilled professionals to support capacity building effort across all sectors in your region? Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, in consideration of the strategic importance that my country attracts to OECS, we have formally established diplomatic relations with Saint Lucia. This diplomatic move is a symbolic bridge that will provide a gateway in fostering ties between us. To further deepen our partnership, I recommend that our two parties initiate negotiations towards a formal agreement on a joint commission or political consultation, such as framework that will provide structural platform to explore and advance cooperation across a broader range of mutually beneficial areas. Let me once again reaffirm Nigeria's commitment to nurturing the seed of friendship and solidarity we have planted here today. We value this relationship and are determined to see it flourish in the spirit of brotherhood, shared history, and vision of greater prosperity for our people. As we chart the course forward, I am reminded of this word of Marcus Garvey: get organized, and you will compel the world to respect you. His charge remains as resonant today as it was first made. Likewise, an African proverb teaches us, and I quote, "If you want to go fast, you go alone. If you want to go far, go together." Let us journey together, united in purpose and fortified by our common heritage. You and I have it enshrined in our DNA. Africa belongs to all of us. Today, to continue to promote that, I will establish full scholarship tuition for students of OECS. From cultural and student exchanges, I believe we can promote that economic and cultural understanding that we further strengthen the bond between us. I thank you very much for listening to me and giving me this opportunity. God bless Saint Lucia, God bless OECS, and God bless Nigeria. Thank you.